Hello gentlemen, so I have got a chance to check out this mirror from Westwind Moto. As you may see, this is not my bike, this is my friend's bike. I did a few rounds with this mirror and it seems so nice. Frankly speaking, yeah, this is not a paid promotion by the way, but I have written this in several terrain conditions actually. He has gone home for vacation, so I got the chance to test this out. So what I liked from this mirror is actually the field of vision is fabulous. The amount of vision we get from a regular mirror and from this is entirely different. As you may see, the vision is so clear, and the most wonderful part is the irritating part when we ride at night is the light reflection from the rear view, which hits the mirror and which disturbs your eye. Oh my god, this is a solution for that. There is no reflection, yet you get a clear vision during night. It's fabulous, and see, when you're doing off-roads you can just do this. It's not flimsy, zero vibration. I don't know, overall I like this mirror. The most highlighted part is there is no vibration. See, I'm going through a bit of a rough road. You can see there is barely any vibration. There are mirrors which look like this in the stock, in the market, third-party mirrors. But oh my god, this does the job. And the build quality is top-notch. Overall, this is something worth purchasing. So this is really nice. I would vouch for this. I think you get a discount code from my friend's account. You can just check in his account. I'll just link it down below. He has a promo code, so you can get a 10% discount if you're planning to buy a mirror. Anyway, hats off Westwind Moto. I'm getting one for my own as soon as I get my salary. See you in another video. Thank you.